you might be wondering why we call this a speed backpack. Well, traditional backpacks are very slow to take things out of them because you basically have to take them off your back in order to get anything from them. The way we designed this backpack is that you don't have to take it off to get anything from it. So this is how it works. You have two pockets, one here and one here, to get your most frequently used items, such as your keys, a pen, and maybe a phone. So with one movement, you can access basically anything from your backpack, from smaller items to larger items, such as your sunglasses or even your laptop. You also have another flap on the other side, so you can have access to even more items, such as your hard drive, USB, or anything else you need access to. You also have 4 pockets, 1, 2, 3, and 4, for your Metro card or any other fast access card you might need. Traditional theft-proof bags compromise on fast access. Our patent-pending design allowed us to make it theft-proof without compromising the fast access. Since all the zippers are hidden behind these 3 flaps, there's no way to access them if the backpack is against your back. However, when you need to access anything from it, it's super fast. You just pull those flaps and off you go. This means you have really fast access without compromising security. Since comfort is one of our top priorities, we decided to use the same material used in astronaut suits on everything that goes against your skin to help you regulate temperature. We also made huge airflow channels on your back to help you regulate your temperature as well. You probably have had the problem of putting a backpack and having one strap longer than the other. This is really annoying. We solved this problem by using a pulley system that automatically distributes the load on both shoulders to guarantee the perfect balance at all times. We really want this backpack to be with you at all times, meaning it has to survive the most extreme conditions but also look cool. We use the best nylon fabrics on the market, including a ballistic nylon on the bottom to make it as resistant as possible. We really hate the hassle of having to put a cover on a backpack if the rain catches you off guard. That's why we made it rain resistant by using the best YKK zippers that are water resistant to help your contents be dry at all times. We also designed this backpack to be super friendly to pack, so you can go for a trip without leaving anything important at home. We made it super expandable from 20 to 35 liters and really customizable so you can carry anything that doesn't fit inside your bag. We have 4 different pockets, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and different straps that you can use to attach basically anything.
Meet Albert. Albert emerged from a passion of design and shape, and with a goal of creating the ultimate safe and functional bag. We were able to use one of the world's most cut-resistant fabrics. Albert opens all the way, so you can easily stay organized. There's many compartments, including a dedicated place to plug in your power bank. There's many hidden pockets, including in the shoulder straps. Very convenient for a Metro card. Security was the first priority of Albert. This is why we created the hidden zipper design. You can feel safe knowing that the zipper is hidden up against your back. Albert is not only safe on your back, but also when you need to leave it. You can lock and leave the bag if you need to. You'll never have to fear someone taking your bag when you are working or getting your coffee. You can lock Albert to a sturdy element and secure the zipper at the same time. With soft back panels and weight balance design borrowed from pro hiking bags, Albert feels light and comfortable. There's a retractable key leash, so your keys will find the pocket on its own. For a long time, we prototyped bags to end the everyday frustrations, and we think we have made the most functional and safest backpack ever created. Now, we just need you.
New everyday bags. The everyday backpack, tote, and sling. offering unrivaled versatility, access, organization, and expansion, thoughtfully composed to hold your photo gear, but designed for everyone. On the backpack, Maglatch returns for rapid top access to a vast, expandable main compartment in both the 20 and 30-liter versions. Weatherproof side zips allow dual side access to an endlessly configurable storage space. Thoughtful organization is everywhere. An expandable laptop sleeve is separately accessed. Inner side panels feature protective pockets for smaller items. Wraparound side pockets retain a clean aesthetic, but provide instant external carry when you need it. There's a place for capture and for your keys. But it's the concealed expansion panel that lets you carry just about anything. There's a lot of ways to carry it, or not carry it, and brilliant ways of securing it. Lots of us are backpack kind of folks, and we think this is the best everyday backpack there is. But there's plenty more ways to carry. Tote bags have convenient access, large capacity, and classic appeal. But many lack organization and utility. Not this tote. A secure magnetic clasp keeps the tote weatherproof, but opens in a moment. Dual side zip panels give you priority access to your most needed items. Inside and out, you'll find pockets for days, including dedicated laptop and tablet sleeves. FlexFold dividers let you stack your gear and create separately accessible compartments. Protection where you want it, and flexibility where you need it. The everyday tote is gorgeous, adaptable, and totally dialed. And then there's the everyday sling. Sling is a bag for those who pack light and move quickly, who need expandability in a pinch, smart organization, lightning fast access, and convenient external carry.
Meet NewMe, the smart travel backpack. My name is Alaha and I love to travel. Last year I went to Asia and overall my trip was amazing. I got to explore all the natural wonder, interact with the locals, and making new lifelong friends along the way. But it wasn't all sunshine and rainbows. My wallet got stolen, my batteries died, and organizing my belongings was a nightmare. When I got home, I made it my mission, and I've been working non-stop to create a pack that will keep you fully charged, safe, and organized on the road. Let me show you. We all get a boost of energy when the sun comes out. Why not capture this? The 7-watt solar panel captures energy on a connected power bank. We've put a lot of thought into safety. The hidden zippers will prevent anyone from opening your backpack when you're on the move, so you can feel completely safe on each journey. Now let's take a look inside. The 30-liter NewMe travel pack is divided into smart sections. The Smart Zone packs the power bank, which is connected to 2 USB ports on both sides of the backpack. There's a separate camera compartment at the back, which is easily accessible. You can detach and expand the laptop compartment whenever you need the space. The clothing sleeve is waterproof and separated from the rest of your backpack. Either keep your clean clothing dry or protect your gear from your wet and dirty clothing on the way home. We have created several easy accessible pockets for life on the road. No more fumbling for your passport, cards, or documents. Your most important belongings are within easy reach.
For more updates, subscribe to our channel, click the show links and enjoy watching the videos.